All right, for the last one, it's quotient rule again. There is product happening up here like multiplication, but m and n are not like bases. M and n are not like bases, so you can't use the product rule. It's just multiplication that can't be done. So you're going to go right to the division. Remember what we talked about? Coefficients, the number in front, they do exactly what the operation tells you to do. This is division, so you divide 2 by 6. You'll get a decimal, repeating decimal, 0.3, repeating, so you don't do that. You just leave it as a fraction. Since 2/6 reduces, 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 6 3 times. You can reduce your fraction to 1/3. Now you worry about like bases. M and m, keep the base. Always write it in the numerator to start. So be careful, -6 minus a -2, not -6 minus 2, but -6 minus a -2 is really the same as -6 plus 2, or -4. With the n, you have like bases again, so keep the like base, always start with it in the numerator. 4, not minus 1, but 4 minus a -1 is really 4 plus 1. It really gives you n to the 5th power. So it ends up being that you have only one negative exponent left. That's in the numerator right now. We're going to cross it over to the denominator, and we end up with your numerator. You have 1 n to the 5th, which you can write that way, or you could just write it as n to the 5th. And then in the denominator, you're going to have the 3, and then the m to the -4 moves to the bottom and becomes m to the +4. It's not left up top anymore. And there is your answer. Again, you don't need the 1 out in front here.